Welcome to Sobha Neopolis Panathur, the most awaited launch. So this is the 4 BHK model unit. What you're seeing here, large living spaces. This is the fourth bedroom, which could be your work from home office. Comes with a separate toilet, and it also has a Juliet balcony. The living area is so spacious, also opens up to your large living balcony with a portico garden. This is your dining leading to your kitchen. You also have a space made for place of worship. The utility in the kitchen is large, and if you see, the ventilation is fantastic with lot of natural light. So this is another bedroom. So all the bedrooms either have a balcony or a Juliet balcony. And here in this project, being a Greek themed project, a lot of detail has gone into building your Greek themed home. The master bedroom comes with a wooden tile flooring, also has a large livable balcony. The ventilation is super good. A walk in wardrobe, which also has natural ventilation.